Hi guys, it's Butz here. Welcome back to another episode of Butz and Yada. Today I'm showing you several Valentine's Day cards you can do by yourself for the one that you love. The first one is a love letter card. And yes, this is a card where you basically force the one you love to write you a letter. What you're gonna need is some cute papers, cut them in a reasonable size, glue them together, and also add some brown to it because I love adding brown to my papers because that gives them some extra edge and making them pop. And now I'm cutting some holes in the first paper for the pen. Yeah, easy as that, and now it fits perfect. Add a string to it to tie them together. And guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram because we post updates every day of all our DIYs, so go check it out. Now that you finished this step, add some stickers to it and voila, there you pretty much have it. How cute isn't that? I'm in love! Put it in an envelope and yeah, give it someone that you love. Okay guys, love this DIY? Then subscribe to our channel because we post DIYs every Monday. Next up we have a little gift basket. Can I call it basket? It's a little bag, I guess, shaped as a heart, made out of paper. Cut 2 hearts out and glue them together. Add some cute stickers and also a string. Now fill it up with cookies or candy, and my cookie broke, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it up with some stickers because I love making the ones who love me work for me also. So just kidding guys, continue watching. Okay, so this last one is probably my favorite DIY of all times. It's called a candle card, and I've done this for Mother's Day and also for Christmas, and now it's time for Valentine's Day. So I'm actually gonna link the instructions below because I'm just gonna make a really quick one here. Have you guys figured out why it's called a candle card yet? Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna put candles in that little house that we just created and tie them together with a string. Okay, now how cute isn't that? And add some matches to it, and there you have it, the perfect present. You can give this away and enjoy a romantic moment with some lights. And okay, so these are the DIYs that we have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Follow us on Instagram and also here on YouTube, and subscribe and share, and see you next week. Love you all.